Hey guys, imagine driving a motorhome that looks like it just rolled out of a futuristic military base, but inside it feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. A massive electric motorhome that runs on battery and solar power, built for extreme adventures and ultimate comfort. Today you're about to see something seriously insane. The Ford Motorhome 2027 concept. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could be one of the most powerful and futuristic RVs ever imagined. Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the place where we explore the most futuristic vehicles, luxury machines, and next-level technology from around the world. If you love powerful trucks, luxury and cutting-edge concepts, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the NextLux family, because we bring you the most exciting reviews made for viewers across the US, UK, and Canada. So let's start with the first impression. The moment you see this Ford Motorhome 2027 concept, it doesn't feel like a normal RV. It looks more like an expedition vehicle designed for the wildest terrains on Earth. The gunmetallic body color gives it a bold, aggressive look that immediately grabs attention. It's not shiny luxury chrome. It's more of a tactical, futuristic style that feels powerful and premium at the same time. The front of this motorhome is massive and dominating. Right in the center, you see the bold truck grille design inspired by Ford Motor Company's heavy-duty truck styling. The headlights are large, sharp, and modern, built with powerful LED technology that can light up the darkest highways or mountain trails. Above the windshield, you can see multiple amber marker lights that add to that. Heavy-duty truck presence, the front bumper, is built tough. It has a reinforced off-road design with integrated recovery hooks and a strong skid plate underneath. That means this motorhome isn't just made for smooth highways. It's built for rough terrain, rocky roads, snowy mountains, and deep wilderness adventures. Moving along the side, you'll immediately notice the enormous size of this machine. This isn't your typical RV. The Ford Motorhome 2027 concept is built on a heavy-duty multi-axle platform designed for maximum stability and power. The body design is long, strong, and aerodynamic despite its size. The gunmetallic exterior panels look solid and rugged, almost like armored expedition vehicles used for global exploration. Large tinted windows run across the sides, giving the interior plenty of natural light while also maintaining privacy below the body panels. You can see multiple storage compartments. These are designed for outdoor gear, tools, camping equipment, or long-distance travel supplies. If you're planning a cross-country adventure across America, Canada's mountains, or the countryside of the UK, storage space like this becomes extremely valuable. Now, let's talk about the wheels, because this is where the Ford Motorhome 2027 concept really shows its off-road DNA. This motorhome rides on massive, heavy-duty off-road tires with deep, aggressive tread patterns. These tires are built to handle mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain. The multi-axle wheel setup gives this RV incredible traction and balance. More wheels mean better weight distribution and more control when driving through challenging environments. Each wheel looks incredibly strong with heavy steel rims, designed to carry the massive weight of the motorhome. And when you see this thing standing on those giant tires, it honestly looks unstoppable. Now, let's move toward the back of the motorhome. The rear design continues the rugged expedition theme. The back section is clean but functional, with strong panels and integrated lighting. There's also a heavy-duty ladder giving access to the roof. And the roof is where things get really interesting, because this motorhome is not just electric, it also uses solar energy. Large solar panels are integrated across the roof surface. These panels help recharge the battery system during daylight hours, making this RV perfect for long off-grid adventures. Imagine camping in remote deserts, forests, or mountain areas without needing fuel stations or power hookups. The combination of electric battery power and solar charging means this motorhome represents the future of sustainable travel. Now, let's step inside, because the interior is where luxury meets smart design. When you enter the Ford Motorhome 2027 concept, the first thing you notice is space. The interior layout is designed like a modern luxury apartment. The living area feels open and comfortable. Large windows bring in natural light, while the gunmetallic exterior keeps the cabin cool and protected. There's a beautiful seating lounge area with premium leather sofas where travelers can relax during long trips. This area can also transform into additional sleeping space if needed. Right next to the lounge area, you'll find the attached kitchen section. And this isn't just a small RV kitchen. It's a fully functional cooking space designed for real travel living. You get a modern induction cooktop, a compact oven, a large refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets for food and cooking supplies. The countertop design looks clean and modern, using durable materials that are easy to maintain during long road trips. Imagine parking your motorhome beside a lake or mountain view and cooking dinner right inside your mobile home. Moving deeper inside, we reach the washroom area. The bathroom in this motorhome is designed with comfort in mind. There's a full shower cabin with modern fixtures, a sink with mirror storage, and a compact but efficient toilet system designed for long, off-grid travel. Everything is built to maximize space while still giving you the comfort of a real home. Bathroom. And now we arrive at one of the most important parts of any the bedroom. The sleeping area feels cozy but premium. There's a large, comfortable bed placed toward the rear section of the vehicle, surrounded by smart storage compartments for clothes and travel items. Soft lighting and modern interior materials give the bedroom a relaxing atmosphere, making it perfect for resting after long driving days. The entire interior layout focuses on comfort, practicality, and long-distance travel living. Now, let's talk about performance. Even though this is called the Ford Motorhome 2027 concept, the power system is actually based on a modern electric drivetrain. The motorhome runs on a powerful battery system designed to move this massive vehicle efficiently. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means strong pulling power, even when climbing steep hills or driving off-road. The battery system provides long driving range, while the solar panels help extend that range by recharging energy during the day for travelers who love exploring remote places. This combination of battery power and solar support makes the motorhome incredibly practical. You get power, sustainability, and independence from traditional fuel systems. And because electric motors are quieter than diesel engines, driving this motorhome would feel much smoother and more peaceful. Now let's talk about the price. Since the Ford Motorhome 2027 concept is a high-end concept luxury motor, the estimated price could easily reach around $700,000 to $900,000. Depending on features and customization, that places it among the most premium expedition motorhomes in the world. But considering the size, technology, solar capability, and luxury interior, it definitely targets serious travelers and luxury adventure enthusiasts. For people in the US, Canada, and even the UK who dream about long road trips across entire countries, a machine like this would be the ultimate mobile home. Just imagine driving across the American highways, exploring Canadian mountain roads, or traveling through scenic countryside routes in a motorhome that combines luxury, power, and futuristic technology. This isn't just an RV, it's a moving luxury adventure, based out of home on wheels, and a glimpse into the future of electric expedition travel. So, what do you guys think about the Ford Motorhome 2027 concept? Would you take this beast on a cross-country road trip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments because I always love hearing your opinions. And if you enjoyed today's review, make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews for more futuristic vehicles, luxury machines, and insane concept motorhomes just like this one. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next review.